Monday, May 22nd. And let's see, I had a lovely day yesterday. I started a new project for Vivi, so that was crazy. Why? Because I have about 20 unfinished projects, but that's life of a knitter, right? Or a crocheter for that matter. Let me tell you about two kits that I have in that are from Earth Yarns. This is for the Prismarine scarf. Look at all those cool colors. And it's done with a solid and a self-striper. I have two colorways. The kit includes the pattern and the yarn. And the first one, it's $68. The first one is, you know I love this color. Oh my gosh, woo! And this together, absolutely gorgeous. This is unique fingering and this is monochrome fingering. This is fabulous. So that's colorway number 1 for the Prismarine scarf. And this is colorway number 2, a little more quiet, would still be handsome and gorgeous. Greens and yellows, I love this, but I love the quietness of the gray. There is gray in here, so it's a great complement. So very fun. The Prismarine scarf, $68 for the kit. It includes the pattern and all of the directions. So there you go. I like it. It's good. All right, not much going on today on this Monday. We're getting ready to get out a new class schedule, and we've got plenty of classes coming up for June. Allison's going to be back teaching a hat class, a mistakes class, and a beginning cable class. So those will be fun, and we haven't seen those lately. Chrissy is doing a gnome class next, or is it next Sunday maybe? Anyway, we've got some knit-alongs going on that are starting in June, and June is right around the corner. We still have to get through Memorial Day, so. All right, I think that's it for today. I'll talk to you tomorrow.